Captain Monsterica, the hero you need. He's got super strength, super sight, super speed. Purple protector, he fights at his side, taking on bad guys wherever they hide. So whether the problem is big or is small, if you need a hero, you know who to call. They're Captain Monsterica and the Purple Protector. Yeah!
For saving the city once again, I present the key to the city to Captain Monsterica! Oh, and you too, of course, Purple Protector!
Yay! Purple Protector? Can I have your autograph? Me? Really? I mean, of course! Anything for a fan! Now, who should I make it out to? Oh, my balloon! My balloon? I've never heard that name before. Uh-oh.
Don't worry, little monster! The Purple Protector can rescue your balloon!
Right? Oh, right! Come on, Captain Monsterica! There's not a moment to lose! How high is this balloon going to fly?
Something tells me that the answer to this will be out of this world!
Whoa! Where are we? This place is big! It has so much space!
Outer space, to be exact.
Whoa! What's that?
Purple Protector, where are you going?
Wow! What's this, Captain Monsterica?
Why, that's a planet! There are 9 of them in our solar system! Despite what some people may think. This one is named Mercury. It's the closest to the sun and floats around it in a close orbit.
Floats? Oh no! The balloon! Oh, we lost it!
Don't worry, let's keep looking. I bet it'll be close to one of the other planets of our solar system. This is Venus.
Whew, it's so hot! But there's no sign of the balloon.
Let's try the next planet. You know this planet, right, Purple Protector? Of course! That's Earth!
Oh, and I can see my house from up here! Hi, Momster! Hi, Popster!
Mars!
It's so red!
Jupiter!
It's so big! What's this one?
This is Saturn!
Oh, Saturn is tiring!
This one is so cloudy! This is Uranus! Neptune!
Ooh, it's so stormy! Ooh.
And finally, Pluto!
Oh, I like this one! It's so teeny tiny! Huh? Captain Monsterica! Incoming! Look out! Oh, that was close! Wait! That was the balloon! It was stuck on one of those space rocks!
Those aren't just any space rocks! Those are asteroids!
Oh no! They're headed straight for Pluto! We have to do something!
All right, Purple Protector, you grab the balloon while I take care of the asteroids!
You got it, Captain Monsterica! Boom! Kablowie! Whoa! It worked! You stopped the asteroids, and I got the balloon!
Of course! The secret to any successful rescue is that you have to plan it.
Plan it? I don't... Oh, plan it! Captain Monsterica! I get it! There you go! Safe and sound. Thanks, Purple Protector! Oh, and you too, Captain Monsterica!
Another job well done, Purple Protector! It really was an out-of-this-world adventure! Ha 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 ha!